Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure LastPass Emergency Access for business continuity step by step clearly. To configure LastPass Emergency Access for business continuity, begin by logging into your LastPass admin console. Navigate to the Users section from the dashboard. Select the user who will be granted emergency access. Click on the Emergency Access tab located in the user's profile. Choose the option to set up emergency access for this user. Designate the individual who will receive emergency access. You can select an existing user or invite a new user to your LastPass account. Define the duration of the emergency access permissions. Set the expiration date for the emergency access if needed. Next, specify the items or vaults that the designated user can access in case of an emergency. You may choose to grant full access, or limit access to specific passwords or secure notes. Ensure that you set up verification methods to authenticate the request for emergency access. Review all settings and make any necessary adjustments before finalizing. Once you're satisfied with the configuration, save your changes. Notify the user of their new emergency access privileges. Confirm that they understand how to utilize the emergency access feature when necessary. Regularly review and update your emergency access settings to ensure they remain accurate. This ensures business continuity and secures access to critical data. That completes the step-by-step process for configuring LastPass Emergency Access for your organization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.